Hello.
Hi.
So today we have Mr. Vishal with us. Hello.
Hi.
So I'm from Team Drone Expo,
Okay.
and I'm here to ask you a few questions related to the exhibition and about your company.
Okay.
So can you can you please introduce yourself to our audience and also tell us a bit about your company along the way?
Okay. Myself, Vishal. I'm based from Bangalore, and we have the company called TerraTech Aerospace. We are based currently from 2018. We were working as a service for getting the real estate land surveys, mapping and lidar surveys. And then we came around 2023, 2024, mid for the sales, providing the manufacturers of the drones.
Okay, fine. So that was supposed to be my next question. I was coming to ask you that in this years of Expo, what are you particularly showcasing in your stand?
So currently we are providing the indigenous drone where the flight controllers and the ESCs, motors and power modules have been only built by us and which has been developed by our team and that we are tend to show.
You're on the manufacturing side.
No, we are on the manufacturing side.
Good. That's really great initiative. Because I think in India, a lot of people are coming with, a lot of companies are coming up with manufacturing thing, and
Yes.
this is really good. We are not relying on the imports only.
Yeah, see, recently, there are many conflicts between the governments. If in any condition, our India government banned the Chinese and Pakistan, apart from the other products. So in that case, it would be helpful, if we have our own products, so we can sell it to other countries rather than India also. We can go boom for other part of the country.
That is what the main objective is to make in India.
Yeah, make in India dishes.
So now coming on to the exhibition, this is our third day today. So I want to ask about your feedback. How has been the footfall and what's your experience along the way in the Drone Expo?
So this was my first experience to the expo. That would be in Hyderabad only. So it was so nice. But I had learned a lot of things. The clients which we got from the defense sector and the navals, and we have received so many requirements what they need. So recently we had a requirement regarding the naval sector, where we need to fly a drone to the certain area and check whether the weather condition that would help for the naval sectors. So this type of requirements has been came to our mind, and they dropped us some requirements. So that would be the major taken from this expo, I could say.
That is what Expo is all about. Having people from a lot of varieties, from even to the explorer, even to the consumers, and even to the government sectors.
Yes. We have got a lot of reference. Even say they would come to us and check the batteries. Can you say from where do you get the batteries? From which departments? So we could explore our things also. We can share our.
So you have been asked a lot of in detail questions. Okay. All right. That's really good to hear that. So now coming on to the last question. This year we have exhibition in Hyderabad.
Okay.
And along this year we are also planning to have in Mumbai.
Okay.
Which will be in a much bigger venue than this one.
Yes.
And so what's your take on that? Are you planning to participate?
Definitely. We'll be participating. So our TerraTech Aerospace would be participating.
Well, thank you so much, Mr. Vishal, and I'll shortly meet you in Mumbai as well. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.